No, I'm not trying to do a wheelie. Shut up. See, I don't get what they mean by pop the clutch. What do you mean? What do you mean? Like, you mean like just... Like what? Like that? Like... Maybe it's this bike, because I mean it's... You gotta be ripping pretty high to get like full torque. Like, I suppose that lifted a little bit right there. Oh, there we go. That was a little bit. This can end badly, but I'm doing it anyways. I did it! What? I did it! It was a little one, but I did it! I felt it! This is nuts! Oh! I know some people like do wheelies in their sleep, but for me, like, wow! Okay. Don't try this at home, kids. No, that's wrong. Okay, so it's like a softer release of the throttle. Let's try that again. No, see, that's not it. Like, does it have to be faster? I know I could just watch a tutorial, but they're all riding really torquey MT-07s and stuff. Okay, that was a little one as well. Let's try again. Oh crap, there was somebody in that car. They've been watching me this whole time. Oh, that's embarrassing. Not me, officer. It's not me, officer. There's another bike in here and he was being a hooligan. I am just practicing my slow maneuvers, officer. See? That's all I am doing. Slow maneuvers. Yep. Nothing illegal, sir. Oh man, it's raining. Don't rain now. I'm having fun. The ground is still dry. There's still hope. Okay, that was one. Oh no, the ground! It's getting wet! Stop it! I don't like it! Alright, here we go. First gear. No. No. What am I doing wrong? I did it like twice! What am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? Okay. No! My God! Maybe you just need more throttle. Alright, okay, come on, come on, come on, come on. This is the time. This is it, this is it. Like, you're getting off the ground. Not much, but you are. Alright. Let's try again. That was one. That was one. It was a little one. I don't know how they hold it. How do they hold it? Do I need a more powerful bike? I don't think so. Like, surely not. Like, there's videos of people doing this on, like, scooters. Ah! Oh, stop it. Like, I'm getting a bit of air. I know I am, but I just want to do like a little long one. That's all I want. No, like they just go whoa, whoa, and it just lifts. It must be magic. It's magic or drugs, I tell you. Those kids. That was a little one too. Am I letting off the gas? Is that what I'm doing? Am I like... Okay, let's try again. Let's try again. Let's try again. Like it's the little wheelies. That's little ones. Okay. That was a bit better. What's the worst that can happen? Man, that sprocket really becomes noticeable here. Probably making it a ruckus. That was a bit better. Okay, let's try that again, but maybe I'll have a little bit more balls this time. No, I said more balls. You're not listening? Imagine you're in an MT-07 and your name is Steve. Damn it, Steve!